Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about LA's Totally Awesome Fabric Softener. I have it in the scent Island Fresh, and this was a really interesting buy for me because I was looking for something fairly inexpensive and I found this. I actually got it at the Dollar Tree. You can get it on Amazon as well, but I just needed something like really quickly and I was there and I saw it, and so I picked it up because I thought, what can it hurt to try it? I have to say I was pretty impressed with it. I didn't even know that you could get fabric softener and things like that at the dollar store, or even Amazon for that matter, but I was fairly impressed with it. I mean, it's not as great as like Tide or Gain or anything like that, but it gets the job done, definitely. Like, my clothes definitely come out clean, and they do have a little bit of a scent to them. It's not like a crazy amazing smell like you get with like Tide or something, but it's really not bad. The back has a lot of information. It has your instructions, test in a small area before using, probably the same instructions for like any other thing like that. It says made in the USA. Doesn't have a list of ingredients or anything like that. It has a load size description here. I will say that is not accurate. I use a lot more product than it tells me to. The lid itself, like usually you use a lid but the lid is really small, I feel like, compared to others. So I usually do at least 2 lids even for a small load. I can show you. It is a green liquid. I don't know if you can see that, how I poured that. There you go. It's a green liquid. It's definitely diluted, so it's a lot more liquidier, I guess, than like normal detergent. Normal detergent I feel like is a bit thicker, but you know, it's still not bad, and it's something will get the job done for sure. You definitely don't want to use this if you have like really heavy stains on your clothes. So if you're like a mother of like toddlers, or your kids play sports, especially something outside like baseball or football, this is not going to be, well, I'm talking about fabric softener, not detergent. Brand is not going to be the one for you because it's probably not going to come out smelling very good. It's probably still going to come out smelling. It's just not going to get them super clean. It's not going to make your clothes super soft, anything like that, if you're washing clothes where the person who's wearing them was just really rough on the clothes. And you know what? I have the detergent as well, so I'll just go ahead and add that into the same review. Let me go ahead and grab that, show you, because I'm kind of talking about how it cleans your clothes, but I have the fabric softener here and not the detergent. So I have the LA's Totally Awesome detergent as well, and I use them both together just to try them out. I have this one in Rain Fresh, which is also not a bad scent. It has a satin, it says it has a stain lifter, but I just don't know. I would not try it on, I wouldn't like waste my time trying it on clothes that have like really bad stains. Like if you're someone who's really easy on your clothes, you don't sweat a lot, or it's like you wore it once and you threw it in with your dirty clothes, this will work perfectly fine for you, but it's not a heavy duty thing. I can go ahead and open this one up and kind of show you. The lid is the same size. Again, it's kind of got another green tint to it, and I don't know if you could tell when I was pouring it, but it is just extremely liquidy, like watery, and it also spills very easily is another thing. As you can see, I'm trying to put the lid back on and it's spilling. But I have tissues here to clean it, so alright, that's cool. Like I said, I also use a lot more product than it says to. It says 32 loads. That definitely is not a thing for me because I use so much product. I use so much of this product. I've used it twice for 2 small loads, and it's probably about down to here now because I use a lot of product. And same with, I use a little bit less of the fabric softener than I did the detergent when I've used it. It's just something good to, I think, have in your back pocket on days when you like run out of your other normal, typical detergent fabric softener and need something really quickly, or I feel like on a really tight budget or whatever, then I definitely say go for it. It's something that I will probably use in the future. Probably not every week, but in the future if I like run out and I don't of my other stuff and I don't feel like going to the store, I will definitely use this like in a pinch. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I definitely think it's something that you could get and just have just for like emergencies. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it.